That looks like the fucking truck that's sitting there.
This is Iowa. Oh, we got the hood open now.
I don't see this turning out good.
Yeah, he's got nowhere to go.
I like the door.
Oh, he can get through there. He's got to take a bit of an angle, but. Well, the Ford can move now. He's got a hook, but.
Yeah, but I mean, he needs to move the
yeah,
Ford
he's kind of in the way. Yeah.
Man, that thing is rusted apart. Jesus Christ. Looks like this wood holds the door shut. Yeah, that's not me.
Yep.
My battery's almost dead. I only got like 25% life left on my battery.
Yeah.
And I don't have a cigarette out. Yeah, I know. Your phone's got a good enough charge if something happens on my own. You just not going to lose track of it. I don't think you can do it. I got full bars still, Chris. Good.
I should probably just turn mine off because it's running down bad.
I've been taking a lot of videos today.
Yeah. I don't really want to talk to anybody right now anyway.
What the hell? Get them out again, dude? 2 forwards down so far.
Are we going to tell them forward now or what?
What are they going to do? Rip and a half? Make more sense to pull them back this way, but.
Well, yeah, because you pull them forward and you're going to get the back axle through there, and then you got to come back around or something.
It's got an traction on this side, though.
Yeah, well, that's true. Well, yeah, and I guess you go up that way. I haven't been up there, but it looked like it was a little easier to get through.
Oh, it's nothing up there.
Yeah. You can take it square? Where is he going? Taking it straight? Oh, hey, let's get the dozer again. Now I don't think there's any backing up from this one. Oh, there is. Well, that's impressive. Yeah, I think he's
Ready?
I don't know. This is looking worse.
I'm glad I didn't come down here for another run.
Yeah.
Come on, you would have probably blown through it. Well, I probably would have, but my freaking car would have hated me for it. It's gonna hate you no matter what.
Sounds like he's getting hot.
No.
Well,
look at that articulation, son. That doesn't sound good. These are the gearboxes. Fantastic.
That's gotta have like a 4-speed in it or something. Yeah, if it's got like an SM465, it's probably got no synchros on reverse or first.
Reverse, and it might not have it on fifth, so you probably have to go from fourth, third, second, and first, and then reverse.
I don't know if it's a...
If you go into any of those other gears.
I don't think they put a 5-speed in those ones, did they?
Oh, no, Mustangs don't have it on reverse.
Oh, yeah?
Okay. Very rare to find one.
Yeah, I was going to say, most of them were like an SM465.
I found a freaking Bronco 351 with the 5-speed. I was like, yeah, I have a Jeep.
Yeah.
Would have been nice to have, but goddamn.
Got no secret.
That fucking Chevy that I almost got. That fucking what the hell was it? It was like a 450 something. 454. Yeah.
44, yeah.
Like I said, that one's sitting there for 5,800. That goddamn 396, the 4-speed.
Yeah.
It's got a granny low first gear.
Oh yeah.
Sitting up on 33s, and I'm like, I'm looking at that, and I'm like,
What was that guy that was?
I could trade my
Ben's
fucking
car?
Jeep straight up for it. I'd take the fucker.
Do you
Uh-huh.
remember that one that Ben got his car towed?
All right, what do we got here?
Said he was gonna sell me or whatever.
I love Randy. He's got a 2013 Cobra.
Oh God, this is that's a big one. Oh! But I got the video running on this one. All right, now what we got here? God, this is almost choreographed.
Hey, no, you're not. No, you're not. Hey, you got two-wheel drive on. Hey, no wheels. That could be interesting. I don't know what.
Well, this one ought to be spinning if it was front's going to spin.
That Mountain Dew bottle. I mean,
Feeling better yet? I feel better. I'm still the guy with the red Wrangler.
I still haven't decided not to
he
take the
came
Doosan
down
to
here,
this
turned
yet.
around, and took off again.
Oh, yeah?
I was like, up here. Oh,
That's-
never mind.
He probably didn't like the look.
He'd gotten some momentum.
He's like, you know what, I've already got
Hmm?
something.
He could have made it to mine if he had
He
some
garage
momentum.
you
Yeah.
take it out in the winter.
Yeah, that's what he was saying.
You know,
He said he doesn't drive that during the winter.
Yeah, that's another thing out with the Doosan. It's still got the stock automatic hubs on it. And everybody hates them, but I have never had any trouble with them. However, I also drive it like it has automatic hubs. Yeah, he's...
I wouldn't have fucking messed with the walkers with fucking revving it like that. Fucking catch it and fucking rip your damn arm off.
Yeah. Yeah, if any of the front tires are spinning, it ought to be this left one here, and it's not, so he doesn't look like he's got four-wheel drive.
Oh! Randy, you're like a boss right now.
I'd start charging people at this point.
I think the best getting around trucks here have all been like 95 and older.
The two weakest vehicles are both of those vehicles though.
Yeah.
Or the two lightest.
Oh yeah.
Yours has got power. This has like no power. But
Yeah.
Might have the tires and the low end front.
Yeah. I ain't got mine sorted out, so it doesn't really do shit till it gets on the cam.
So I'm debating on whether he's going to do something stupid or he's going to keep doing stuff stupid.
Randy needs to go.
Well, yeah.
and then you're gonna.
Yep, I think he's got some spin on the front end now.
I almost want to get the Doosan and try to pull them out.
Front spinning in reverse.
Oh, yeah, okay, so it does
He's caught now.
go.
I was waiting to see him just fucking bounce across the fucking solid.
Yeah.